Hey guys, it's Jaden here with Hustler Equipment, and I often get asked, how heavy duty really is the Regener8r Pasture Harrow? And the first thing to point out on these harrows is these leveling bars. These two leveling bars on the front are going to be the first thing to hit any of those gopher mounds or crawdad mounds or cow pies, anything like that. And they're very heavy duty steel. They're about 3/8 thick across the entire length of the harrow. And obviously you've got two stages of that. And the next thing I like to point out is these rings, which are holding these harrow pieces together. Now these are about 1/2 inch steel rings, and they're fully welded. They're very heavy duty rings. And what that allows it to do is sit on the ground real heavy. It's about 1,400 pounds spread across 20 foot 8 inches. So you can see that this is a very, very well built machine. You have these braces going across here. Everything's fully welded, and there's very little chance of bending this up unless you're using about a 600 horsepower tractor or something like that. So thanks for watching, and if you got any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you on the next one.